guys. Well, I guess this morning. It's like 30 more minutes of the morning. But I've just been up because, so yesterday I had a package get delivered by fucking FedEx. And I missed the delivery, so they left. Make sure my address not on here. They left this on my door saying basically that they were gonna re-deliver the package. And so now I've just been up because I thought it was gonna come right around the same time, and it's not coming yet. So I'm just waiting for my package to get here because I want to show you guys. I'm so excited for this package. It's a purse. My mom bought me a purse for Christmas along with some other stuff, but I'm so fucking excited for this purse. I'm so excited. So yeah, that's all I'm doing. And I've just been doing homework. What's today? Today is Wednesday. I was supposed to be off I'm usually off all week, but they called me in yesterday, so I went to work yesterday. So yeah, today's Wednesday. I'm off until Friday. I have an interview today. I'm going to an interview for another bartending job in the city that I stay in, because my friend just got the hookup. She's about to start working there. So I was like, girl, I don't be doing nothing during the week anyway. So that would be so cool because, like I said, we're traveling this year. Like, I'm trying to do, my cousin, not like I act like it's my idea, but she was like, I want to do something like every month for the whole year. Like, even if it's like going out of the country, going to another city, just, you know, buying myself a gift, like something. So that's my goal starting in March because I'm broke as fuck right now. We bought our Cabo resort like a week ago, so I'm excited for that. And then yeah, I have been bought my Rolling Loud ticket, so I'm excited for that. And now I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna go to Coachella to see Frank. So we'll see about that. And yeah, that's all. So yeah, I'm just waiting for my package to get here. Like, literally staring out the window. So hey guys, so yes, I'm on the toilet, but I missed the fucking delivery again because I left to go to the interview, got the job, you know, I had to double it, but I came back and there was a fucking note on the door. So I'm literally so irritated, like so irritated, because my grandma is here. So it's like, you didn't hear the door, but whatever. We'll try again tomorrow. I'm so irritated because I was ready. I've been up since like 10, on and off sleep, waiting for this shit. And I literally left at 1:30 and was back by 1:50. And within that time period, it came. So I'm gonna smoke to get over this because I'm irritated. So yeah, this is really how my weekdays go. Like, well, now, since I have a second job, it's not gonna go like this. I usually be at home just doing homework during the weekdays. I don't go to work during the weekdays. Sometimes my other job, let me not. I haven't even started the other job yet. But sometimes my job will schedule me to work Mondays sometimes. So I will, but other than that, I just be at home. So now, I'll start working weekdays. So yeah, I don't even need 2 jobs, y'all. Like, I just want money. Like, I'm trying to travel this year for real. Like, every month. Like, I want to do something every month, like I was saying. So yeah, I just have to roll up because that shit irritated me with my purse. Like, oh my god. And I probably missed the truck by like 3 minutes. Like why the fuck do I have to sign? You know, just leave it. She said that. But yeah, so I do think I want to go to Coachella this year. So all the money that I'm gonna be making is really just for my trips, for shit I want to buy for myself, and that's it. So I have 2 jobs for no reason, but I love money. Money love me. We go together real bad. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna go to Coachella, guys. I don't know about like finding the tickets and shit. I'll probably go the weekend too, but yeah, so not our fucking telfar season there. Cheers. Hey guys, so my purse So I'm gonna do an unboxing right now. I'm so freaking excited. I was literally sitting by the window and I had a phone interview because I told you guys yesterday I had an interview and it went well. So then I had my second interview today. It was like a phone interview. He was just going over actually he was asking me questions I was not prepared for, but it's whatever. He's cool. We got the job. I'm so excited though. Yes. I'm in my PJs. This is my old shirt from high school. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? I can sit in this chair. Ugh. I'm so annoying. I'm like, beautiful. OMG. Here's the strap. Okay. I'm so excited, guys. And it's like low-key big. I'm gonna compare it to my telfar size so you can see. Oh my gosh. What is this? Oh, it's like a little bag. This is kind of clutch. Oh my god, this is cute as fuck. I guess it's good to put the stuff. Let's take all this stuff out of it. I'm gonna show you guys up close too. Give me a second. This is so freaking cute. Gosh. Like, hello. Like, oh my god. Okay. Ah, that hurt. Okay. Put this on it real quick. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna take a picture for Instagram. Okay. All right, y'all. So this is it. Up close. I'm gonna show y'all the inside. It's so cute, y'all. Take this tag off. But like, oh my god. Literally cute as fuck. Hey guys, all right, I got distracted because I was trying to post on Instagram, but yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the size difference between my telfar. So yeah, now you can see the size difference. I'm obsessed, y'all. Like, this is cute as fuck. I love it. It's different. It's furry. And I love it.
I wish that I could know all that you said. If you don't have the time or space, then I don't have the words to say. I wonder is the only peace we'll find. In your sleep, I know you want to cry all night.
Real as fuck. Obviously, I need to hear it.
I do listen to just whatever they need to hear me, and I swear to God, my energy gets a little hectic.
My energy is hectic, so.
But there's only
Y'all.
I should have got more.
I know. All right, y'all. So it's Saturday afternoon. I look crazy, but I have another unboxing. I didn't think I was gonna have another unboxing, but my telfar came. I got another one. I forgot I even ordered this because I would have like told you guys, but so I'm gonna show you my old one. This is, well, I'm gonna still carry this because it's cute as fuck, but this is the small one. And you know I had to double it. Literally though. Like literally though. This is so fucking cute. It's cute as fuck. Like I literally can't. My grandma, she was like, you have a package? I was like, a package? Like I didn't order anything. But then I was like, oh, you know what? I did order something. So she has both now. Plus, this one. She's just like, my bag collection is getting serious. Getting serious. I can't even. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all that because it was just random. I was just opening it like, what the fuck is this? And now I'm happy as fuck, so